One. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this teacher training on using Classcraft. My name is Eberle, and I'll be hosting you on this quest to understand Classcraft and to get started using it in your classroom. It is flexible enough that it can be used with any content area, and once set up, can involve as many or as few devices as your classroom might need. Just let me give you an idea of how this is going to work out. There are 5 goals for this training. The first one is to explore what exactly Classcraft is. Next, we'll examine why we would use it. Third is a set up step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up your teacher account and first class. Next, we'll talk about what would need to happen on day 1 of using Classcraft in your classroom. And lastly, I want to make sure that you have some sample activities in your hands to use. Anytime you're using a new tool, I want to make sure you have plenty of examples to look at and resources that can be implemented as soon as possible without expecting you to add more to your already busy day.